What if I told you that deep beneath the Pacific Ocean lies something older than the dinosaurs themselves? A strange, hidden structure buried under layers of rock and time, untouched for hundreds of millions of years. Scientists recently uncovered this ancient mystery, and what they found could rewrite what we know about Earth's history. Far beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean, near Easter Island, scientists have stumbled upon something absolutely mind-blowing. It's not a lost city or an ancient shipwreck, but something far older. What they discovered is being called Earth's own version of a fossil, not of a creature, but of the planet itself. This bizarre structure, buried deep under the ocean floor, dates back more than 250 million years, long before dinosaurs ever walked the Earth. To put that into perspective, this thing existed when Earth's continents were still connected as one giant landmass. But how did scientists even find something so ancient and hidden beneath miles of rock and water? It all began when a team of geologists began studying the Nazca Plate, a massive tectonic plate sitting beneath the Pacific Ocean near South America. Normally, these plates move slowly but steadily, sliding around like giant puzzle pieces on the Earth's surface. But this one was acting strange. It was moving slower than it should have been, almost as if something beneath it was holding it back. Curious about this odd behavior, scientists used a technology called sonar mapping, which sends sound waves deep underground and reads how they bounce back. This helps researchers create a kind of X-ray of what's happening far below the surface. What they found stunned them. There was a massive blob-like structure sitting deep under the Nazca Plate. It wasn't supposed to be there. The more they studied it, the clearer it became that this blob wasn't something recent. It was an ancient piece of ocean crust, a section of seafloor that had been swallowed by the Earth around 250 million years ago. This structure is like a time capsule, frozen in time, showing us what our planet looked like before the age of dinosaurs. It's one of the oldest remnants ever discovered beneath the ocean. To understand why this discovery is so important, let's take a step back and talk about how our planet works beneath the surface. Earth's crust isn't one solid piece. It's broken into tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, colliding, and spreading apart. Beneath them is a super hot, gooey layer called the mantle. When plates collide, one often slides beneath the other in a process called subduction, kind of like a conveyor belt feeding old crust back into the Earth's interior. Over time, this material melts and becomes part of the mantle again. But in this case, something went wrong. The ancient crust beneath the Nazca Plate didn't sink and melt like it was supposed to. Instead, it got stuck, slowing down the plate's movement and leaving behind a strange, dense chunk that scientists are only now beginning to understand. This discovery may also explain why certain parts of the Pacific Ocean, particularly along the East Pacific Rise, are spreading apart faster than others. Normally, when two plates move apart, magma rises from deep inside the mantle to fill the gap, creating new ocean floor. But if there's something ancient and dense below, it can change how the spreading happens, like an invisible hand shaping the ocean floor from below. So, in a way, this buried structure might be controlling parts of the ocean's geology, even after hundreds of millions of years. And the best part? It's helping scientists piece together what Earth looked like long before we did. Back then, the world wasn't divided into continents like today. In fact, the continents we know, Asia, Africa, the Americas, didn't exist yet. They were all part of a massive supercontinent known as Pangaea. But even before Pangaea, there was another, even older one called Valbra, which existed over 3 billion years ago. By studying this newly discovered structure, researchers can trace how the plates moved and collided over time. It's like having a missing piece of the puzzle that shows how our planet slowly took shape. Even more fascinating, this fossilized chunk of crust can help us understand natural disasters like earthquakes and volcanoes. When scientists learn how and where the Earth's crust can get stuck, it gives them clues about how stress builds up deep underground. The same stress that eventually causes quakes or eruptions. It's not just about Earth either. Learning how these processes work here could also help scientists understand how other planets, like Mars or Venus, behave beneath their surfaces. After all, Earth isn't the only world shaped by mysterious underground forces. But while this discovery under the Pacific Ocean is one of the most fascinating geological finds in years, it's far from the only mystery hiding underwater. Let's take a look at a few more strange structures that scientists have discovered beneath lakes and oceans, some of which might change the way we think about ancient civilizations. In Lake Constance, located between Germany, Switzerland, and Austria, archaeologists found something they call the underwater Stonehenge. Back in 2015, divers exploring the lake's bottom discovered over 170 large stone cairns, stretching across 12 miles underwater. These piles of rocks, some several feet high and wide, appear to have been carefully arranged by humans about 5,500 years ago. The purpose of these mysterious stone mounds remains unknown. Some experts think ancient villages along the shore worked together to build them, maybe for rituals or ceremonies. Others think they might have marked sacred places or served as territorial signs. Whatever their purpose, they show how people thousands of years ago were already shaping the world beneath the water's surface. Now travel across the world to Lake Michigan in the United States, where another bizarre underwater discovery was made in 2007. While scanning the lake bed, archaeologists came across what looked like a mini Stonehenge, a perfect circle of stones resting 40 feet below the surface. These rocks are believed to have been arranged by indigenous people more than 9,000 years ago, back when the lake was still dry land after the Ice Age. One of the stones even appears to show a carving of a mastodon, a massive elephant-like creature that went extinct over 10,000 years ago. If the carving turns out to be real, it would mean the site is among the oldest man-made structures in North America, built thousands of years before England's famous Stonehenge even existed. And then there's the Yonaguni Monument in Japan, often called Japan's Atlantis. Found off the coast of Yonaguni Island, this incredible structure is massive, about the size of 5 football fields and as tall as a 5-story building. It's filled with terraces, platforms, staircases, and even what looks like a massive stone pyramid. Divers have explored the site for years, and while some scientists think it's a natural formation caused by erosion, others believe it's the work of an ancient civilization that vanished thousands of years ago. Some of the shapes are just too precise. Sharp right angles, carved steps, and even what appears to be a turtle-shaped carving, a symbol often found in ancient Japanese culture. Several stone tools have been found around the monument dating back 10,000 years, which makes the mystery even deeper. Was Yonaguni once a thriving city that sank beneath the waves, or just a rare natural wonder carved by time and water? To this day, scientists can't agree. All these incredible discoveries, from the mysterious buried structure beneath the Pacific to the underwater monuments found near Japan and America, remind us that Earth still hides countless secrets beneath its vast oceans. Each strange find offers new clues about our planet's past and helps us understand how Earth evolved long before humans ever existed. The newly discovered Pacific structure is only the beginning. Scientists plan to send advanced sonar and deep-sea mapping tools further than ever before to uncover what this ancient relic is truly made of and what secrets it might still conceal. Some researchers even believe it could hold chemical traces from Earth's earliest oceans, dating back to when life was just forming. If that's true, this bizarre discovery might not only reveal our planet's origins, but also the very beginnings of life itself. So, what do you think? Could this strange structure be a piece of Earth's lost history, or just another natural wonder buried by time? Either way, discoveries like this prove how little we really know about our own planet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science stories just like this one.